Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is FGI, JKM, NOQ, RSU and the question mark. Well friends, in the previous problems, what we have done? We have considered the options and we have substituted there. When you do the same thing in this problem, you are not going to get the answer because none of the letters are repeated. And friends, when you observe the given question, they have given the group of 3 letters. Because of that, now what I'll do, I'll write the positions of the letters. For that, let me consider the given question, that is F, G, I, one group. The second group is J, K, M. Third is N, O, Q. Fourth is R, S, U. Now let me write the positions of these letters. Now what is the position of the letter F? Of course it is 6. The position of the letter G is 7. And the position of the letter I is what? 9. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter J? Of course it is 10. The position of the letter K is what? Yes, it is 11. And the position of the letter M is what? Of course it is 13. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter N? Of course it is 14. The position of the letter O is what? 15. And the position of the letter Q is what? Of course it is 17. Now the position of the letter R is what? It is 18. The position of the letter S is what? Yes, it is 19. And the position of the letter U is what? Of course it is 21. Well friends, now observe these positions. 6, 7, 9. That means plus 1 and plus 2. After 9, 10. After 9, there is 10. Plus 1, 11. Next, plus 2, that is 13. 10, 11, 13. That means plus 1, plus 2. Next, after 13, 14. That means continuation is there. Again, after 14, plus 1 is 15. Plus 2, that is 17. Next, after 17, a continuation is there. That is 18. After 18, plus 1, that is 19. Next, plus 2, that is 21. Now, the next number will be what? The continuation of 21, that will be 22. Next, plus 1. Plus 1 means what? 23. Next, plus 2. Plus 2 means what? 25. Okay. Now, this 22, 23, 25 indicates what? They indicate the positions of the letters. Now, we have to find out which letter is having position 22. And we know that the letter V is having position 22. Letter W is having position 23. And the letter Y is having the position 25. Now what the answer we are getting? We are getting it as V, W, Y. Let us take the given options. The first option is V, W, X. The second option is V, W, Y, which matches with our result. Therefore, the option second will be the right option. Well friends, we'll see some more number of problems.